Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Start. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to the watch. So, first, open the settings on your phone. In settings, scroll down, find the option called apps and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called special app access. Select it. And now find the option called device and app notifications. This is the Android 12, I believe. So for the Android 12 and above, you will see this option here, device and app notifications. But I believe in the older versions of Android, it's gonna be called special app, not special app access. It's gonna be called notification access. So in the special app access, look for the device and app notifications or for notification access. Once you find them, tap on the option to open this menu, and here we have the list of applications, and as you can see we have allowed and not allowed. Find the Garmin Connect. It's probably gonna be on the not allowed list. If it is, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow to allow the notification access, and once you're done, it should appear on the allowed list right here, and now we can close the settings. Now let's find the Garmin Connect icon, press and hold on it, tap on App Info to open the App Info for our Garmin Connect, tap on the permissions option, and here we need to allow a couple of permissions for the notifications to work. First, we need to allow the phone and call logs. So if you want to receive the notification or notifications rather about the calls and stuff like that, you need to allow the phone and call logs. So tap on the phone, tap on allow, tap on call logs, tap on allow. If you want to receive notifications about messages, SMS messages, you need to tap on SMS, allow it. And next we have the calendar. You can allow it if you want to receive the notifications from the calendar. Then we have contacts if you want to see the contact information. And then we have the notifications option. You can allow it or deny it. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application. After you open the application, you will see the My Day page. Now tap on the menu icon to open the menu. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Select your Forerunner 745. Scroll down, find the option called Sounds and Alerts. Tap on it, select Smart Notifications, and here we can customize the settings for our notifications. We have options like General Use, During Activity, and Timeout. General Use, it basically allows you to change how the notifications behave during the normal usage of the watch, so when you're not tracking any timed activity. And next we have During Activity, is basically when you're using your watch and you're recording or tracking the activity like running, biking, stuff like that. And the timeout is basically how quickly the notifications disappear from the screen when they pop up. Okay, let's tap on General Use first. And here, as you can see, we have a couple options. We have Show, Privacy, and Alert, or Privacy rather. Tap on Show first, and here you can select which types of notifications should pop out on your watch, and you have all, calls and texts only, calls only, and off. I'm gonna select all. Next we have the privacy, and here you can select off, press start, and gesture. This option basically, when it's enabled, it will hide the content of the notifications, and you will need to, for example, press the start button to display it or perform the gesture to display it. So select the option you like. Next we have the alert, and here you can select the type of the alerts, and you have tones, which is a sound, beep, vibration, which the watch will vibrate, and tones and vibration, is basically both. I'm gonna select this option and go back. Tap on during activity, customize it like this. And then we can tap on timeout and select the duration, for example, medium. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can close the app. And at this point, we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna quickly install Discord and log into it. So give me a second or two. And after the Discord rather is done installing, we can tap on open, log in, okay, now we can send ourselves, or I can send myself a message on Discord. We should have the notification, so let's allow it. Try again. Oh, this time we got the notification on our phone and also on the watch, as you can see. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of glances, like this. When you're on the home page, on the current watch face, you can scroll down, for example, find the notifications, a glance or widget, select it and press start button to see the list of notifications. You can select one, tap start, or rather press start to open it and read it. You can also press start and you can select dismiss, mark as read, reply, or block the app. If you dismiss it, it's gonna disappear like this. Okay. And that's how you enable default notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.